Hello everyone, so this is problem number 16 of the chapter waves on the string. Here it is given that there is a string which is having a length of 30 centimeter carrying a linear mass density of 0.5 gram per centimeter. Length of the string is 30 centimeter. Now there is a wave generated and this wave is symmetrical about its maximum. So this is the wave which is going to generate, and it is symmetrical about its maximum position. It means this distance and this distance is equal. Other end of the string uh, is fixed with attached with a frictionless ring like this. So this full length is 30 centimeter, and it's given that this length is 20 centimeter. It means this is 10 centimeter, so this is 10 centimeter. So wavelength of this wave is 10 and 10, 20 centimeter. So now question number first. Assume that the wave is reflected from the ends without loss of energy. Okay, so here it is saying that there is no loss in the reflection. Find the time taken by a string to regain its shape. And it is also saying that it is moving with the speed of 20 centimeter per second. Okay, so what is going to happen that this wave pulse is going to go at other end, which is this end, and then again it is going to consume fully. This will have maximum displacement, and then again it will reflect the wave in the same with the same shape like this. And once it gets once it get hit by this other end, that is fixed end, again it is going to reflect the wave, but with the phase of phi. It means it is going to invert. So this is the first reflection, and after the second reflection the wave is going to become like this, and then it is going to go. So this is the scenario here. The first question is find the time taken by a string to regain its shape. Okay, so what is going to happen that this is 20 centimeters, so it is going to consume full 20 centimeter again, and again it is going to generate 20 centimeter long wave. So the total time that it is going to take to regain its shape at other end is, total distance that it is going to cover is 20 into 2, and the total time and the speed of the wave is 20 centimeters. So it is going to take 2 seconds to regain the shape. Now B part, as I told that it is going to invert. So here it is asking that the shape of the string changes periodically with time. Find the time period. Okay, so this is the time when it is inverted. Now it will go till here. Again it will come back inverted itself, and then it will reflect back with inversion. So the total distance that it is going to take is d, that is 3d. Sorry, the total that distance it is taking is, it is going till here and it is coming, then the wave is inverting. So the distance that it is going to cover is 2 into 30, and the wave speed is 20 centimeter per second. So the time that it is going to take is 3 seconds. So this is the time period. And now see what is the tension in the string. So we know that tension, we have a relationship between speed of the wave and tension, that is speed is equal to root under tension upon density. So tension is equal to speed square into densities. So speed square, that is 0.04 into 0.05. So we will have 0.002 Newton.